In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Chime app. If you want to access Chime on your phone, the process is simple, whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can download the correct app and get started without confusion. First, open the App Store on your device. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. This is where you'll find the official mobile apps for your phone, so it's the safest place to begin. Once the store is open, go to the search bar and type in Chime or Chime, mobile banking. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right app appears in the results. This helps you avoid unofficial apps or similarly named listings. When the search results appear, select the official app called Chime, mobile banking. Before downloading, take a moment to confirm that the developer is listed as Chime Financial Inc. This is an important step because it helps make sure you're installing the real app and not a copy or unrelated app. After that, go ahead and start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get, then confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if your device asks for it. The app may take a few moments to download and install, depending on your internet speed and device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. This will take you directly into Chime so you can begin using it right away. From there, you'll either sign in or create an account. If you already use Chime, enter your email address and password to log in. If you're new to Chime, tap Sign Up and follow the prompts to open an account. Just read each screen carefully and enter your information where requested. A couple of important tips before you go. Always download only the official Chime mobile banking app from Chime Financial Inc. If you can't find the app in your store, check that your phone's software is up to date and make sure the app is available in your region. And if you'd rather not use the mobile app, Chime also offers access through its website in a browser. That's it. Once downloaded, you'll be ready to sign in or start setting up your account.